Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a video on an unboxing of my boxycharms. I have December's and January's, and I'm just gonna quickly go through them. I think this one is December's. Yes. So this is the Gift of Glam, and this is what the front looks like here. And in here is what this looks like. This one's very light this month. So just going to quickly go through this. I'm not going to try anything on because honestly, none of this stuff is stuff that I can wear when I'm already wearing makeup. So the first one is this is MudMasky, and this is the mineral infused double cleansing mask. So this is like a face wash mask. We keep getting stuff from this brand. I have an under eye cream from this brand, and I have used a hair mask from this brand, so I kind of really like this. And this is a holy shit, this is a $59 product. Deep cleaning, pore refining, restoring, and hydrating. So there's that. That is something I will use. And then there is this here, and I don't know how to pronounce the name of this, so I'm not even gonna try. That's what the front of this is, and this is a triple it's Algenist. Yeah, okay, it's Algenist. It's an algae eye renewal balm. Reduces the look of dark circles. I think I picked this one out myself. This is a $68 product. I'm pretty sure this is the one I picked because my dark circles are getting worse. I have a new puppy and I've been sleeping a lot less lately. Stay tuned for a video on her. If you want to see a video on my new puppy, I will make that video for you. But anyway, so there's that. Then there is this from Luna, which is cute because my first dog's name is Luna. This is a water-resistant liquid eyeliner. No, it's not from Luna. This is from Seraphine Botanicals, and Luna's, I think the Luna liner is what it's called. That was my bad. Let's get into this. This is just honestly a black eyeliner. It says that it is water resistant, so yeah, this is PTA certified vegan, PTA cruelty free, PTA gluten, no gluten. This is an $18 eyeliner. I mean, it's okay. It's a black eyeliner. I mean, that happens a lot. There is this Sophia and Mabelle, I think it's called. That's what it looks like there. This is a satin powder highlighter, and it's in peach sangria. This is what it looks like here. It looks like it's quite dark for a peach sangria. This is, oh, it's very, very light on my skin. It's not too bad. It's not the best highlighter I've ever seen. I had to do 2 swipes to actually get the color on there, but it's not bad. And that is a $22 product. And then lastly in this box is something from Blinc, and I actually know this brand quite well. A lot of people sell them at hair salons, so this box looks like it's a little bit haggard, but this is the ultravolumizing tubing mascara. So I actually really like tubing mascaras. It's been a little while since I've had one. This is what the actual container looks like, or the packaging is very simple. It is black. It says that it's supposed to make your eyelashes look really thick, but the thing about tubing mascara is that it actually will come off of your eyelashes instead of having to scrub in the shower or whatnot to get your mascara off. It actually comes off in a tube, which is what it's supposed to. So it's supposed to coat your eyelashes with like a little tubing thing. So that is that, and these are quite expensive. So this is a it's not that expensive. In Canada they're expensive. So this is a $26 product. So altogether everything is this month, so December's box wasn't too bad. I picked the one thing. I probably won't use the eyeliner. I don't use eyeliner very often, but everything else I'll use, so, or at least I'll give it a try. All right, now for January's box. This is the Refresh. That's what it is. I don't know where people are saying that. This is what the box looks like. Oh, there's the first thing on here. We'll go through that first. My box is a bit damaged. This is from LYS Beauty, No Limits Matte Bronzer. Oh, I don't know if you can see what this tag says. This tag says it's in Worthy, and it's apparently a deep brown. So I like how it's in a triangle. Now let's just see. Oh shit, yeah. That's the color of the bronzer. That's definitely a no-go. I don't even want to swatch it. It's so dark. There's no way this is gonna go on my face. Well, I mean, the thought would be nice. Maybe I can use it as a eyeshadow. That is an $18 bronzer. Okay, so it's not so expensive. It's not like the big ticket item in here. And then in here is this Wonder Beauty Getaway eye and cheek palette, or eye and face palette. Great. Wonder Beauty and I don't get along very well. Not that I don't like their stuff, it's just I never use any of the stuff that I get from them. So this is what it looks like. And so those are the eyeshadows and the, yeah. I'm not gonna swatch this. I won't use this. I mean, these colors here are pretty nice, but I'm not gonna use this. This is literally like every other bloody palette I own. So, nope, sorry. And this is a $36 palette. Yeah, okay. Not interested in that one. Up next is these here, and this is a duo of, what are these? I don't even know what these are. I don't even want to take them out of the packaging. They're Evo Beauty Lip Duo, and they're in the colors, I can't even read the packaging, but those are the colors there. I'm not going to take these out because I don't use lip liners very often, and I don't wear lipstick at all underneath masks, and I'm never going to probably not have to wear a mask. It's looking like it's going to go on forever. So honestly, these are $24 for the two of them. Now I'm going to check to see if they're creamy. They're not staying. That is literally 3 items in this box this month that I am not keeping. This is what I'm saying. Every single time I get a box, it's either a great box or a shiitake mushroom box, man. Seriously, let me tell you, I either love it or I completely hate it, and that's why boxycharm just keeps me going, because like I get a great box and I really love it, and then I get those crappy boxes that I'm just like, I will never use anything, and then I want to quit, and then I want to cancel, and then I get another box that I really love. So then I have 2 more items in here, and this is from Billion Dollar Brow, and this is a very, very, very tiny micro brow pencil. This is their micro brow pencil. It's in taupe, which I think my other eyebrow pencil is. I mean, I'm not super unhappy about it. Taupe isn't exactly a color I would use. It's going to be very, very light, I think, on my skin tone. Oh no, it's very, very dark. Okay, whatever. Maybe that's why it's in the box. That will definitely, never mind, I will use that. The thing with this is I'm already trying to get rid of some of these out of my collection. I have the bigger ones, and this is like the tiny, tiny micro one. I have one of these in my project pan right now, so I mean, I don't hate it, but not super excited about it. This is a $16 brow pencil, so I will keep that, and I probably will use it. All right, so the last item in here, and this is the item that I think I picked, and this is the Farmacy Feeling Good hyaluronic acid plumping serum. So this has got little bees on it. This is a plumping face serum. This is what it looks like. It's very true to the Farmacy packaging, the serum with the little nozzle. This is something that I will definitely use. I'm very into skincare at the moment, so I'm very excited for this. And this is a $44 product. So this is, yeah, this is definitely the one thing that I actually will use out of this box. The eyebrow pencil I will too. So out of this box, out of the 5 items, 2 of them I will use. See, I bet you next month I'm gonna love it, because that's just what boxycharm does to me. It's like a yo-yo. anyway, this was the price of January's box. That was everything for December and January's boxycharm boxes. The reason why I did them together was because they're very, very close together. I only got them literally under a week. I think it was about a week and a bit apart. So that's why I ended up putting them together. Stay tuned for my top box because I'll be doing the same thing with them because they were very, very close together this year, or this as well. All right, well, I hope you guys are staying safe and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.